Today we're going to be showing you how to secure your Jasper sauna roof under the rest of the assembly. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to locate the bag that came with the sauna that houses your manual. Inside this bag there's going to be a little brown box, and that's going to house the screws that you need for this. Just take that out. These are the 4 screws. They're about 1/8 of an inch. So you're going to take these, you're going to locate the 4 holes on the roof. One is right here. One is on the right-hand side right there. And then you got 2 more. One on that side and one near your back control box right there. All you're going to do is you're going to get a drill and the screws, and you're just going to screw them into the pre-drilled holes, like so. Go to the other side. Right, and you're just going to repeat the process for the other 2 holes, and you've officially secured your roof on top of your Jasper sauna.